Question 1. Could you tell me a little about yourself? I started my career as an industrial engineer a year ago at the Cemex career where I was mainly in the charge of the truck parts. Dispatch with warehouse where the main activities are receiving orders and inventories, while in the position we identified a technical error in the delivery of the materials and were able to improve it, thus speeding up the delivery and economic process of the organization. I understand that for the position you are applying for, you are a professional with demonstrating skill in the resource management and process improvement. improvement.